What is up, guys? Ryan here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make this spiky ball, this modular spiky ball. It's called Starburst in the book, but Starburst is a candy, so I'm going to call it spiky ball. This modular is really cool. It's really cool. It's not hard to make. It's a little hard to put together, but you know, and it's sturdy, and it just looks good, especially with like how the color changing works. I'll be using the book Outside the Box Origami by Scott Stern. This is a really cool book. It has a lot of fun models, and I'd really highly recommend you guys checking this out. The link is in the description. For paper, I'm using 17 centimeter kami paper, but you can pretty much use whatever you want. Although I'd highly recommend using paper that has a different color, like that's not the same color on both sides, because the model has a cool color change effect. Anyway, guys, without further ado, let's get started. You're gonna need 6 pieces of paper. I'm just using 17 centimeter kami paper, but you can use pretty much whatever you want. And we're gonna start with the color side up. So first, we're gonna fold it in half both ways. So I'm gonna fold in half the diagonals. And we're going to fold in half the horizontals, or the edges, rather. So with this video, I'm just going to show you, how to make a single module, and then I'm going to show you how to put the modules together. I'm not going to show you how to make 6 of them or anything like that. Okay. So once we have all of the center lines folded, we're going to hold our paper like this. So not like this, like this. At least that's how it is in the diagrams. And now we're going to fold the right and left corners into the center. Okay, and we'll get something like this. Now we're going to flip it over, and we're going to make 4 folds. We're going to make 4 folds, and we're going to do that by folding this edge to the center, this edge to the center, this edge to the center, and this edge to the center. So, and we're only creasing from this corner to here. So here to here, here to here, and here to here. So let me show you what that looks like. So we're only creasing up to here. We're only creasing up to this point. See how the crease goes from here to here? So let me do it again on this side. Okay. Only creasing to here. Alright, so this is what it'll look like. Crease from here to here and here to here. Now let's do the other side, the top. There we go. All right, our 4 creases are created. Now we are going to fold it in half. So take the top corner and fold it to the bottom corner. Just like that. Okay, that was simple enough. Now we're going to fold this corner down and unfold, and then fold this corner down and unfold. So we have these 2 corners, and we're going to fold it so it's facing upwards, and then open it up and squash it like this. Do the same thing to the other side. All right. Now we're going to take this top edge, this top like half of the diamond, and fold it behind. And same thing for this side. So now we're going to fold, we're going to fold this edge. We're going to take this edge and fold it behind, or not behind, but like inside. And so for this white part, we're creating a new crease, but for the orange part, for the colored part, we're not creating a new crease. Just like that. This is what the inside looks like. Okay, and we're gonna do that for we're gonna do that 3 other times. So we're gonna do that for this edge, for this edge, and then same thing on the back. Now we're going to fold this edge. We're going to fold this edge over to the left, okay, like this. And when it's facing upwards, like it is now, we're just going to squash fold it like this. Squash it down. We're going to repeat this step behind. So we're going to flip it over and do the same thing. We're going to take this edge and fold it over to the left. Make this flap face upwards and squash it. Like that. Now we're going to just rotate the flaps. So we're going to take this flap and fold it to the left. And we're going to flip it over and we're going to take this flap and fold it to the left. Okay. And we'll have this. Doesn't matter which side you work with, that's why I keep rotating it. So now we're going to take this flap and valley fold it up. And same thing on the back. This flap, valley fold it up. And this is it. This is the finished module. So we can spread these flaps and we get one of the spikes, right? We get one of the spikes. So I'm going to quickly make another one and then I'm going to show you how they fit together. I have finished a second module and now I can show you how to put them together. And it is as simple as just sliding this edge, this flap, into there, like that. And so you'll get this, and there'll be another one here, then here, 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 and so 4 more basically. So I'm gonna make 4 more, put them together, and show you the final product. Here it is, guys, the finished Starburst, the finished Spiky Ball. This modular is really, really cool. I like it a lot. It fits together well, it's easy to make, it's sturdy, It's a great modular. I really don't make very many modular videos, modular origami tutorials on this channel. So if you want me to do more of that kind of thing, definitely leave a comment. Definitely let me know in the comment section. So again, I used the book Outside the Box Origami by Scott Stern. It's a really cool book. Has a lot of cool, funny models. Definitely check it out. Link in the description. Anyway, I really appreciate you watching this video, and if you did make it all the way through and finish your spiky ball, I'd love to see it. So post on Instagram a picture of it and use the hashtag #AnAverageOrigamist. It'll come right up. No underscores though, no spaces or anything, and that way I can actually see it. I'd love to make a video showcasing all the different things you guys make, like using my tutorials. So if enough people do it, I will. I love hearing what you guys have to say, so definitely leave a comment if you want to. And don't forget to subscribe, because I am posting another tutorial next Friday, so if you don't want to miss it, hit that subscribe button. But anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you.